Hi friends, how are you all? Here Excel Guru. It's a new session. Actually, these are the questions asked from various companies for the post of MIS. This is the interview questions I'm starting from today onwards. It's very important and keep concentration on this. If you have any doubts or concerns or queries, please let me know by mention in the comment box. And if anybody wants to join in my WhatsApp or Telegram group, please let me know in comment box with your email ID. I don't want to publish like that only. I mean to say that I don't want to publish blindly because some people likes and some people doesn't like. Some people are there, they will join for time pass. They don't want to learn the Excel, just they want to join, that's it. So I request everyone to like, share and subscribe and click on bell icon. If anybody wants to join in my Telegram or WhatsApp group, please let me know in the comment box. Whoever wants to learn Excel. And coming to this topic, this is the interview questions from the reputed companies, various reputed companies by the HR. I have gathered these queries, more than 100 plus questions are there nearly. Totally Hyderabad companies, nearly 50 companies. I collected these queries from 50 companies, these queries, and some of the people who I know, only for the post of MIS by using Excel. Coming to this topic, here this is the first part, and in VLOOKUP I am having more than 2 parts. This is the first part I am going to teach you now. VLOOKUP from different sheet in same workbook, VLOOKUP from different workbooks. Right. So here see, this is the data, I have raw data, and the HR said it should be a dynamic. Whenever you change the name, contact number, okay, I did not mention this one, actual date of birth also there, control plus, randomly I will take date of birth, see, now see how I will take the date of birth now, DOB, date of birth, I want to take date of birth, see how I am going to take the date of birth, is equal to some date, okay, just mention some date, okay, date DDMMYY, 1978. Actually I should not keep this equal sign, sorry for that. Control enter, double click, okay, sorry. Now see, F2, I will make it this as a general format, control shift tilde, F2, it is a general format, is equal to rand between bottom one is this and the upper part is 30,000. I'll take 30,000. Control enter. Double click. Now I will go to short date. This was the date of birth. Okay. The HR asked that whenever we change the names or date of birth or contact numbers, so automatically login IDs and passwords should change. Not only that, if anybody wants, if any new employee will join in the company, so it should be automatically join and it should be a display in the extracted data. Right guys. So here this is the login IDs. F2, this is the login IDs by taking this one. So I will take passwords from this one, not from this one, from date of birth. Okay, I have taken this right D3, this one name, and the login ID is last 4 digits of the concerned person's phone number, 1 2 3 4. Okay guys, now I will take like this, not B3, I will just change it to like this, but don't blindly enter because it will show you the serial number but not the date. They need the last 4 digits, I mean to say the year part should be in password, year only year part in password. So it will take only the serial number, but not the exact year what it is displaying. Okay guys, so F2 convert into a year, year, open the bracket and close bracket. Now it will take only the year part, double click. It will take only the year part. See, okay, and it should be a dynamic. Whenever the new employees will join, then it should be displayed in the extracted data. For that reason, what you have to do, select the data and make sure that around there should be a no data. For it is the from value over in the top. So for that reason, I have selected. If I am not selected, see what will happen if I press Ctrl 2. So it is also selecting. So I don't want to select this one. Only this part I have to select. So Ctrl Shift right arrow, down arrow, Ctrl T. And I am having headers in my table. My table has headers. Yes, names, date of birth, contact numbers, login IDs, and passwords. Okay. Now I don't like this filter, so I am removing filters. Ctrl Shift L. And I don't like this type of, so I am making to change this type. Then now I want to name the table. Alt JPA. Logins. Only logins. Okay. So it should be a friendly name and relevant to this table only. Otherwise you will get a confused for that. If you repeat any of the name which is not relevant to this table, then you will get a confused. For that reason, you have to keep friendly name which is relevant to this table only. Then it will be better. Okay, understood. Now you understood this part. Now I will show you what I said. From different sheet VLOOKUP. From different sheet you have to do VLOOKUP. First, make sure that there should be a data validation, because no one has to change this data. Okay. Alt DL tab L tab is equal to indirect. Actually it is a, I will show you, logins square bracket. It won't take. Okay guys, it won't take this one. It will get you error. So for that reason you have to convert this into a text and make it as indirect. Indirect. Open the bracket. Go to end, close bracket. Now it is converted into a range. Whichever you want a data validation, you have to change the field names. Logins is the table name and names is the field name. Okay guys. Now press OK. See, everything is perfect. Now I will take any of the name of the employee is equal to VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP will be having 4 arguments. VLOOKUP 1, 2, 3, 4 arguments. This is the optional. Okay, range lookup will be the optional one. Lookup value. This one. Lookup table array. Guys, don't go back again. Why? Because it is already converted into a table. You can use the table content in any of the 255 sheets in one workbook. Okay, that is login. You can see here and press tab, comma, 4th column. Name, date of birth, phone numbers, login IDs and password. So we need 4. Comma, it's exact match, so close the +0 and press enter. If you drag, it won't work. Actually I should log this one. It should not move anywhere, it should be stable over there only. If you move, it will show the same value. So change this into 4. I will show you another method in next session. Okay, this is the name, this is the login ID, and this is the password for the person GHL Excel. Alt DN error alert. it should be a stop over here. This will be, it is having options, but use only stop because no one has to change the value in the cell. Select from drop down. Drop down list. For changes, visit admin. Okay, if anybody wants to change, see, I want to change a name which is not in the range, the different name. Okay, Sima. See, select from drop down list. For changes, visit admin. Okay, you have to write that easily should understand. Okay, you understood this VLOOKUP. Okay, this is the exact match VLOOKUP. Next question I will show you approximate, and it is an interview question, guys. Very important. Okay. From now differentiate. How can you take a range in data validation drop down list from different workbook? It won't work in that, so you have to take from different workbook. Okay, guys. So different workbook. You have to keep that in this from different workbooks. Data validation. Alt DL settings value list here. Alt tab data validation. So it is not working. Advanced filter. Sheet 2. Select this range. It won't work, guys. Now it won't work. Okay, it is considered as a range, but it won't work. So you have to make it as a range by same like that indirect. First of all, I'll use double quotes over front and back, starting and ending of this range indirect. Open the bracket.